Nigerian veteran actor Adebayo Salami, popularly known as OGA BELLO, has been honored with an honorary doctorate degree by Achievers Network's UK Academy. The award recognizes his significant contributions to the Nigerian film industry, particularly in theatre arts and media production. The ceremony took place at the University of Lagos, alongside fellow icons like Jide Kosoko and Patience Ozokwo. Adebayo Salami's decades-long career has seen him act in numerous films and produce several notable projects. His recognition by the UK Academy underscores his dedication to the arts and the lasting impact of his work.
I feel so elated because since inception that we have been coming in this industry, this is a landmark, one of the landmarks we have ever received. I'm very happy about it.
And what do you want to tell the youth and about what you have done with your accidents and precedents?
They should keep it up. Consistency is very, very key. Discipline is also key. They should maintain those one things and honesty.
Very much again, sir.
My name is Adebayo Salami, Dr. Adebayo Salami.
Thank you.